Good morning and welcome to Fluxx Conference 2025 Middle East Edition. And we have with us Dr. Joyce Wazirali. She is founder and CEO for Unity Conscious Leadership Academy, and she has been awarded for Unity Conscious Leadership. First of all, as a leader, congratulations.
Thank you.
Welcome to Fluxx Conference. How does it feel to receive an award in front of all the people from different genres of media, leadership, health? How does it feel?
Thank you for the congratulations, and it feels very. I feel very honored because I worked hard for this, what I put into the world, unity conscious leadership.
Why did you thought of this idea? What was the reason to open up something, and what does the company stands for?
The reason why it started with a vision in 2018.
Okay.
I had a vision about how the world would look like in the future, and I got shocked. And
What made you think that?
no, it's just I was shocked what I saw in the future about the world, and from childhood on, I see that people are making decisions from a perspective of separateness.
Yeah.
So what they create is more separateness. And I thought, now I have to write a book and leave my legacy behind for the future. Because if I don't leave it behind, I didn't do follow my purpose. So I started to write my book. I had no clients anymore. I had to write my book. So I wrote my book, and then in 2021 it was published. In 2020 I started to give courses to people or leaders. Yesterday I received my 8th award.
So, Unity Conscious Leadership, what is the niche purpose for this academy?
It's to contribute to healthy relationships and society, absolute happiness and peace.
But do you think, as it is now, I believe, a global services or global, can it be available on global level?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so
Yeah.
do you find different cultures, different countries having different way of approaching leadership, and how do you face those challenges? Because their mindset would be different.
It is really a simple paradigm because it's universal.
Yeah.
It is not depending on culture.
Yeah.
It's about the human being, and that we are all interconnected with each other,
Yeah.
and that our environment is a reflection of our inner, and all answers and solutions are in ourselves.
Yeah.
And this is my own life experience from childhood on. When I face obstacles in my life, I always go inside and I investigate and reflect on myself, and then I find mostly a trauma. It can be a trauma from my ancestors or my own trauma, and I had my own way to heal the trauma. And what I discovered, there was a lot of potential locked in the trauma, so it opens up and the obstacles are away, and there are new people, positive people around me. So
what would be the advice you'll give to a person who wants to, have a vision to be a leader in this specific field? What is the one general advice would you give to the young comers or who are in school or universities?
yes, use your environment as your mirror, because when you do that, you will understand and become aware of how you create your own world. So if you want to contribute to other people as a leader, start becoming the leader in yourself from the perspective of unity conscious leadership, that we are connected.
Do you think AI is somewhat stepping in and advising and fixing the problems because it's easier, quicker, just type it and you get the answer? Is that an issue when it comes to such kind of academy of yours?
Oh, people just tell me stories, so they don't know what I'm doing yet, but so they tell me stories, and I listen to different stories, and I see patterns in their stories.
Okay.
And I say there is a red thread in your story, and that is, for example, you feel always alone or not heard, not seen. And then they say, oh, you are right. And then I ask questions, go inside the person's history, and then they tell me their stories. And then I say, do you see the connection between what you are experiencing and what you're carrying in yourself?
I
And
understand.
then they say yes. And then we start with a session.
That's as simple as it is. How has your experience been as a leader already at a Fluxx conference?
Oh, it's so great. There are so many beautiful people, and everybody is unique in their own way and their own profession. And yeah, it's a great event.
Thank you
I
so
love to
much. I
be
hope
here.
to see you for your ninth award next time.
Oh, yeah.
And it was a pleasure talking to you. On that note, if you have something and if you want to be something, own it up, but be dedicated and do all the hard work you can. Be kind and avoid using plastic. This is Talia MK signing off.